Hi everyone, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the icon style notification drawer settings of your device Oppo A57e. So if you want to learn about this, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn all about the icon style notification drawer settings of your device Oppo A57e.